Welcome to Soup, Salads and some more. Today again we are in some more section where I'll be making one vegetable which will be a dry vegetable, and it's made out of small aubergine or eggplant or baingan, whatever you call it. Will be a very traditional South Indian style sabji, which you will see what all the ingredients we need. So these are the aubergines or eggplant, what you call. It's a small one, around 2 inches long, and I have left these two with the top because I'll show you how to cut it. And this for the two people I'm making, which will be 8 small aubergine. So how we have cut it, one side like this and other side it goes like this. It's a plus but not on the same direction. So how we do it, we'll cut the top off. Here is that. Take the knife and put a slit across all the way down, not go through it, leave it to at least half an inch from the bottom and remove it. Now we will turn around. This side we have cut it, but you see this is, if it is cut it vertically, you will go horizontal now, other side. So all the way leaving 3/4 inch from this side, and we will remove the knife. So we have two slits but two different direction, and when we stuff that masalas in it, it will completely inside the brinjal you will have the masalas. If you cut it from the same side, you can do it, but when you split it, it may go apart. That is why we are doing this. Now what we need masala, here is a Bengal gram or chana dal, 3 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and 3 green red chilies. All are roasted, not completely dry. I just brush the pan with the oil and then we roast it. We don't want to pour even 1/4 teaspoon of oil. Just brush the tip of the brush, put it in the oil and brush it in the pan. After getting that brown color or the beautiful aroma, remove it to the bowl. In the same pan, put 3 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut and roast it in a slow flame till you get this texture. It might reduce little because it will lose the moisture. These two will be in the mixie jar, it will go, and I will make a powder of it. In the powder, I'll add salt and turmeric powder, and those all masala together will be stuffed inside this brinjal, and we will cook it in oil. I have made the powder of that masala. First we will make the masala powder. When it is done, then we will add the dry coconut. Together we will grind it, and this is the texture we get it. It's a beautiful aroma you get here. I'm going to add salt, this according to taste. I'm adding at least a 1/2 teaspoon, and turmeric, that's a 1/2 teaspoon. Mix nicely. Now this will be getting stuffed into each and every piece of brinjal. Now I'm going to heat my pan here. I've added oil in it. You need at least 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets heated, by the time I will finish my stuffing. See, this brinjal, will take it, and in this slot I'm going to put that masala. It might fall from the sides, that's okay. Hold it like this, turn it around, open the other side. Same procedure, repeat it. Just press it with your spoon, and that's it. This is what we need to do with all the other thing. One more I will show. Open it one side, put your masala there, just press it with your spoon, hold it tight, turn it around, other side. So this is the way we will stuff everything. All the small brinjals being stuffed. I have left over this masalas. While making this, you can spread a spoonful of on top of it. and also you can save this, add it to any vegetable you want. So this brinjal sabji is called yanna katrika. Yanna means oil, katrika is a brinjal. My oil is hot here. I am going to add this. It will take time because it's the whole brinjal is there. It will take time. We will cook it in slow flame. See, I'm just pouring a little bit more on top of the brinjal, the masalas. And now what we will do, we will cover this and leave it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes in slow flame. And halfway around, we will just turn it around and you can see the outer skin is completely crushed, brown, cooked. And it's going to be delicious. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook. So let me check. My brinjal is done. Oh, looks wonderful. You can see all the way, half the way I turned it around. So you can see the brown and crispy skin. And it's so tasty. It's only a dry vegetable, but it will go with anything. You can have some dal. You can have any other gravy sabji. So that's what it is. I'm going to put it on the plate. So here is my yanna katrika. Yanna is oil, katrika is brinjal. Any variety, big or small, doesn't matter. So this is a very special traditional sabji of South India. Yanna katrika. Very delicious. Please try it and leave a comment and subscribe my channel to see more interesting recipe. Till I come back, TTFN.